Hello students, as I came to know and I observed that so many students are performing very well in online classes. They are participating very actively and also submitting their homework on time, but those students are not doing, are not able. So I suggest them do this particular work because this is totally related to your studies. Don't take it very casually. So I suggest you all consider your online classes very positively and actively. Apart of that, my dear students, I have decided that in this pandemic I should just provide you something else apart of the studies. We have decided that we will give you the platform of painting, drawing, also music and dance, and also your spoken English. Children, as you know that this is 21st century and you all are studying in English medium school. What is the basic need of English medium school? In Hindi medium school, in English medium school, what is the difference? Difference is only that in English medium school you also learn the things which enhance your personality, which enhance your skills, spoken English, conversation, communication. So children, school has decided that in this particular time when you are at your home, we will give you some classes of your spoken English so that you can improve your communication part also. Children, how I will start, what will be the procedure, and in what particular time your at least little bit communication will improve, which is demand also, right, everywhere. So children, I would like to tell you one thing. जो ये वर्ल्ड है ना, वर्ल्ड, इसमें दो तरीके के लोग होते हैं. जो पहले तरीके के लोग होते हैं, दे स्पीक वेरी फैंटास्टिक इंग्लिश, वेरी इमेक्युलेट इंग्लिश, जिनके थॉट्स एंड पॉज बहुत परफेक्ट होते हैं. एंड जो दूसरे तरीके के लोग होते हैं, उन्हें पता नहीं चलता, वो इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, कोशिश भी करते हैं, बट उन्हें पता नहीं चलता है कि वो गलत इंग्लिश बोल जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द मिस प्रोनाउंसिएशन, नॉट प्रोनाउंसिएशन, प्रोनाउंसिएशन. So that is very important that our pronunciation. Today I will just give you some example that how can we improve our pronunciation, because pronunciation is very important part of spoken English, our communication. अगर हम सही उच्चारण ही नहीं करते हैं, हम भले ही सेंटेंस सही बोल रहे हैं, that is meaningless. So children, I will give you some examples today so that you can also learn, prepare yourself, and in such a way daily I will start something new chapters, right, which will improve your spoken English. Day by day I will give you the classes, and how it will be given, that will be mentioned in your WhatsApp group. Schedule will be mentioned over there, you can follow that schedule. Children, DEVELOPMENT सभी जानते हैं. इट्स डेवलपमेंट, नॉट डेवलपमेंट, इट्स डेवलपमेंट. बहुत कॉमन वर्ड होता है. ट्यूसडे के बाद क्या आता है? वेडनेसडे. क्या आता है? वेडनेसडे. WEDNESDAY, वेडनेसडे, नो, वेडनेसडे. सो अब ट्यूसडे के बाद क्या आता है? वेडनेसडे, नॉट वेडनेसडे, वेडनेसडे. थर्सडे के पहले क्या आता है? वेडनेसडे, राइट. आप क्या खाते हैं ताकत बनाने के लिए? खाते होंगे बादाम खाते हैं. ALMONDS, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? आलमंड्स? नो, रॉन्ग. आमंड्स, एल वहाँ पर साइलेंट होता है. आमंड्स, ALMOND, आमंड. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज DESKTOP. जनरली इसे जल्दीबाजी में लोग क्या बोल देते हैं? डेस्कटॉप. The correct pronunciation is desktop, not desktop. MASS, mass, no, that is mass. MASS, this is मैस नॉट मास। घर पर आपके पाइप खराब हो जाते हैं, नल खराब हो जाते हैं, टैप्स, तो आप किसे बुलाते हैं? प्लम्बर? नो, PLUMBER, दैट इज़ प्लम्बर। बी साइलेंट, प्लम्बर नहीं। लेकिन आप प्लीज़ अपनी लोकेलिटी में फ़ोन करके प्लम्बर बुलाना, क्योंकि प्लम्बर से दे विल नॉट कम। बट फॉर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन व्हाट इज़ करेक्ट? प्लम्बर, PLUMBER, प्लम्बर। हम लोग ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए जनरली क्या वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं आने जाने के लिए? VEHICLE। क्या बोलेंगे इसे? व्हीकल? हाँ बोलेंगे? नो, व्हीकल। व्हीकल, VEHICLE, व्हीकल। आप लोगों को बहुत शौक़ होता है आजकल फ़ोटो खींचने का। मोबाइल में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कैमरा आ गए हैं फ़ोटो वीडियोस बनाने का। तो फ़ोटो जब आप क्लिक करते हैं उसे क्या बोलते हैं? फ़ोटोग्राफी? नो, PHOTOGRAPHY, दैट इज़ नॉट फोटोग्राफी, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फोटोग्राफी। फोटोग्राफी, फोटोग्राफर, फोटोग्राफी, फोटोग्राफर। द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज़, बहुत कॉमन वर्ड है, आप लोग यूज़ करते हैं, ETCETERA, एक्सेट्रा। क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सेट्रा? नो, दैट इज एटसेट्रा, एटसेट्रा। RECEIPT, क्या बोलते हैं? रिसिप्ट। बिजली की बिल की रिसिप्ट मिल गई? नो, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिसिप्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिसिप्ट। क्या खाते हैं? एक फ्रूट कह सकते हैं या पार्शियल वेजिटेबल होता है, CUCUMBER, क्या होता है? ककम्बर? कुकुम्बर? नो, दैट इज क्यूकम्बर, CUCUMBER, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्यूकम्बर। द नेक्स्ट वर्ड, होटल में जाते हैं, खाना ऑर्डर करते हैं, किसको देखकर ऑर्डर करते हैं? MENU, लेकिन इसको बोलते क्या है कई लोग? मीनू। मीनू से ऑर्डर कर दीजिए। वेयर इज मीनू? नो, दैट इज रॉन्ग। मेन्यू, MENU, मेन्यू। वेयर इज मेन्यू? ऑर्डर द फूड फ्रॉम मेन्यू। नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, फ्यू वर्ड्स आई एम टेलिंग यू। CLIMB, क्या बोलते हैं इसे? क्लाइंब? नो, फ्यू वर्ड्स आर देयर जिनमें B आता है लास्ट में एंड वो साइलेंट होता है। CLIMB, दैट इज क्लाइंब। THUMB, B साइलेंट। थॉम, TOMB, B साइलेंट, टॉम। COMB, कॉम, क्या बोलेंगे? COMB, दैट विल बी देयर कॉम्ब, नो कॉम, दैट इज कॉम, COMB, कॉम। नाउ चिल्ड्रेन, फेसबुक पे आजकल जनरली लोग बोलते हैं, या आप लोग वहाँ पे कमेंट्स पढ़ने जाते हैं या कमेंट्स करते हैं, COMMENT। जब कुछ अच्छा लगता है तो उसे आप कमेंट करते हैं, कुछ बुरा लगता है उसमें कमेंट करते हैं, दैट इज COMMENT। उसे कमेंट नहीं बोलते हैं, डू कमेंट, डू कॉमेंट, डू कॉमेंट, COMMENT। Now children and my dear parents also, because parents are also connected in WhatsApp group, so I suggest to parent also that you must observe your child at your home, because parent, I would like to inform you, monitoring is very very important. If we will not do the monitoring of our children, whenever we are providing online classes, at least you should observe कि really your child is attending or watching the videos and the content whatever the child is searching on Google, that is really related to academics. So I must say to the parent, if parents just only observe your child, what the child is doing at home. Secondary, when the teachers are asking for submitting homework in groups, so I suggest all the students, please do submit your homework on time and write it down all kind of the notes which is given by your teachers in fair notebook, because in the very first week of August we will organize your periodic test 1 for 11th and 12th standard, unit test 1. So be ready for that. How it will be organized, that will be intimated you very soon, but you all must do the work very positively, very honestly. Now children, now even parent, for the monitoring I was telling you, even this is for parent as well as for students and also for teachers. Through the one small story, I would like to tell you what is the important role of monitoring. There was a cartoon character, Charlie, and one day Charlie was teaching its dog to sing. Then the Charlie's friend came to his house, and when he observed, then Charlie is teaching this particular thing. So he was surprised and asked to Charlie, "Hey Charlie, what are you doing?" Then Charlie said, "I'm teaching my dog to sing." Then the friend said, "Are you mad? How is it possible? How can a dog to sing? How can you teach this? How can a dog sing?" No, the Charlie said, "I will teach my dog to sing." Then the friend said, "Okay, I'll see." Then the Charlie said, "Okay, you come after a few days." After a week, when the Charlie's friend came to his house and asked to Charlie, "Hey Charlie, where is your friend? Your dog is singing?" Then the Charlie said to his friend, "I told you that I will teach my dog to sing. I didn't say to you it would learn." Similarly, parents and teachers, this is very, very important. When your child is doing anything, when the teachers are teaching anything, any content, whether your child is learning, this is very important. The teachers are teaching. That is why I also just suggest to teachers, after teaching, you just check the homework properly, take the feedback from the students, whether they learnt or not. Because the content, whatever you deliver, that must be fruitful, that must be taken, observed, acquired by children very, very positively. So same thing by the parent, when they are doing anything, any activity at their home, you must, it is your moral responsibility, at least you observe your child what they are doing. See you soon. Thank you so much. Have a good day.